What if I told you that the key to achieving firm, lasting erections after 60 has been sitting quietly within your own body all along? No pills, no side effects, no complicated routines. It might sound unbelievable, but it's true. I'm Dr. Moitkara, and after over 30 years of helping men restore their sexual confidence, I've seen firsthand thought. The body often holds the answer, Swev. Overlooked, especially when it comes to tapping into your natural ability to perform literally. Today I'm going to show you something most men have never heard before. 3 specific points on your body that when gently tapped before intimacy can help awaken your arousal system, increase blood flow to the penis and create rock-hard erections. Naturally, unreliably, it's simple, free, and Bakabi. Both ancient acupressure traditions and modern science, and yet most men over 60 go their entire lives without ever using it. In the next few minutes, I'll go do step by step through these secret points and show you exactly how to tap them, when to do it, and why it works. You'd need anything but your own 2 hands and a few quiet moments before intimacy, and I'll also reveal a 90-second ritual I've taught to many of my patients, men who had almost given up on sex entirely, and how this small change reignited their desire, function, and self-respect. Now, before I show you exactly where to tap and how to do it, let's take a moment to understand why this technique works. Because when you know what's happening inside your body, you'll not only believe it, you'll feel more connected to the process you see as we age, especially past 60. Our bodies don't respond to arousal the way they used to. It's not just about testosterone or desire. It's about how your nervous system, your circulation, and your stress levels all interact in those critical moments before intimacy. And this is where tapping becomes powerful, because by stimulating pelvic pressure points, you can actually send a signal to your body that says, relax, it's safe, let the blood flow. It's like flipping a biological switch from stress to arousal, from tension to readiness. So let's look at how this works scientifically, neurologically, and physically, and why tapping just 3 points on your body may hold the key to firmer, stronger erections without the need for medication. Let's dive in. 1. Why tapping works. Why tapping works. The science of pressure points and sexual response. You'll be honest with you. When I first heard about tapping as a way to support erections, I was skeptical too. As a doctor trained in Western medicine, my instinct was to look for prescriptions, bold panels, or clinical interventions. But over the years, after listening to my patients, researching deeply, and witnessing real results, I came to a powerful realization. Not every solution comes in a bottle. Some of the most effective answers are already inside you, waiting to unlock. The human body is wired for intimacy, but as we age, that wiring can become a little frayed. Blood flow, slow nerves, dull stress takes a heavier toll, and many men over 60 begin to think maybe this is just the way it has to be. No, but it's not if you understand how your nervous system works and how to gently awaken it. Tapping is more than just touch. It's about communication between your mind and your body, your brain, and your blood vessels. When you apply light rhythmic pressure 2 specific points on the body, you stimulate nerve endings that send messages deep into your system. The signals trigger your parasympathetic system, what I call the body screen light mode. It tells your muscles to relax, your heart rate to steady, your blood vessels to open. This shift is especially important for sexual function. Erections don't happen when you're stressed. They happen when you're calm, centered, and your circulation is flowing freely. Tapping helps create that internal environment. Wet medication without side effects. I've seen men who were frustrated for years begin to experience change after just a few sessions. They felt more responsive, more alive, more confident, not because their testosterone spiked, but because their bodies were finally allowed to do what they were designed to do. And now I want to show you the first point. It's one of the most powerful zones in the entire body for unlocking pelvic energy and triggering blood flow, where it matters most. Most men walk around with it every day, completely unaware of the power it holds until they tap into it. Let me show you where it is and exactly how to use it. Point 1. The point 1 CV6C of energy lower abdomen the first time. I showed this point to a patient, a man in his early 70s. He looked at me with a mix of disbelief and quiet. "Hope you mean I just tap here?" he asked, pointing below his navel. "That's it." I smiled because I've heard that same question so many times before, and the answer is always size. Yes, it really can be that simple. The CV6 point, also called the CF energy, sits just a couple of finger widths beneath your belly button. It's been used in Eastern medicine for centuries to awaken life force, but modern science is starting to catch up. This area connects directly with deep pelvic nerves and blood vessels, the very systems responsible for erectile function. When gently stimulated, this point helps direct blood flow toward the lower abdomen and groin, easing tension, the core, and priming the area for sexual arousal. But beyond physiology, something emotional happens here. Too many older men carry shame or frustration in this part of the body, years from embarrassment off feeling like less of a man, and when they finally connect with this point, when they tap and breathe and feel through warmth begin to stir deep within, it's like something wakes up that had been sleeping for far too long. I often tell my patients, don't just tap mechanically, tap with intention. Asua, do it. Visualize the energy moving, flood flowing your body. Remembering at strength, tap for about a minute. Take slow, deep breaths and just notice how your body responds. You might feel a subtle tingling or a soft heat building low in your abdomen. That's the C energy beginning, Taurus. It's a quiet power, but a deeply masculine one. You're not forcing anything. You're inviting it, and sometimes that makes all the difference. Now at this point, activates your energy. The next one does something just as vital. It calms the noise in your mind, because even with blood flow, if anxiety hijacks, it's the moment everything can shut down. So let me show you the next powerful spot, a place you'd never expect to regain control, grounding, and calm before intimacy. If you're still here and this is resonating with you, just type then *1 in the comments to let me know you're following along. Now let's move on to the second powerful point. Point 2, point to the K1 bubbling spring, Sulaf Thea foot. I'll never forget one patient, George, age 68, who came to see me after years of struggling in silence. His biggest obstacle wasn't blood flow, surprisingly, it was anxiety. Every time got close to intimacy, his thoughts would race, his heart would pound, and his erection would disappear. He said it felt like his body and mind were in two different rooms. That's when I introduced him to the K1 point, and everything began to shift. This point is known as the bubbling spring, and it's found right on sole of your foot, just beneath the ball. It may seem like an odd place to target for sexual function, but what it activates is deeply connected to thyroactive arousal, calm, grounded energy, usually at this stage in life. Many men are walking around with low-level tension on the time the stress builds day after day, and when it finally matters most, you want to be present, engaged, and strong. Your nervous system is too. Revote up to recuperate. The K1 point speaks directly to that overactive nervous system. When you tap or press here, even gently, it sends a calming message through your entire body. It says, slow down, let go, trust the moment. When George started tapping his K1 points each night, just 20 to 30 seconds per foot, he noticed something remarkably. His thoughts slowed, his breath depended, and his confidence started to return. Little by little, there's something incredibly grounding about touching your feet for sex. It brings your awareness downward, away from the chatter in your head and into the strength of your body. When you combine that with what you've already awakened through the lower abdomen, you create this powerful balance, energy rising from below and anxiety falling away beneath you. But there's one more piece to this puzzle, because while the body responds to tapping in these lower zones, there's a surprising point high above the rest that helps bring it all together. It's a spot most men never think about, yet ethos. The key to switching your brain from tension to desire. Let me show you exactly where it is and how it completest. Process point 3, the GIV 2100.3 meetings, top of the head. I remember a man named Richard, 72 years old, who sat across from me in my office and said, "Doc, my body's willing, but my mind just won't follow." His shins were steady, but his eyes told a deeper story, one of years spent. Strap it in. His own thoughts, doubt creeping in before any intimate moment, robbing him of the connection he so badly craved form and like. Richard, and perhaps for you this next point, isn't just useful, it's essential. The GV20 point sits quietly at the very top of your head. It's Kaledthi. It's 100 meetings because in tradition Aladine, it's where energy from all parts of the body is believed, talk on verge, and as strange as it may sound when you gently tap this point, you're not just stimulating nerves, you're shifting your entire internal state work. Creating a moment of stillness, off presence. What I've found is that most older men are carrying far more mental noise within. They realize worry, fear, old memories, past failures. They pile up and form a kind of static that blocks serotonin. Even when the body is ready, the mind can shut everything down. That's where GIV 20 comes in with just 20 to 30 seconds of soft tapping right at the crown. Something changes you. Feel yourself come back to your body, your breath slows, and suddenly the momento isn't feels so intimidating anymore. It feels sequence tap method before. Sex inviting? I often tap this point myself during long stressful days, not for sexual reasons, but to reset, to reconnect. When combined with fellower points, GIV 20 helps complete the circuit from pelvic energy to grounded calm, and finally to mental clarity and intimacy. That clarity is everything. It turns performance into connection, pressure into presence. Now, imagine taking all three of these points, energy, grounding, and clarity, and combining them into one flowing practice you can do in just 90 seconds before intimacy. That's exactly what I'm going to show you next, a simple sequence that brings it all together and unlocks your body's natural reactance like never before. Stay with them. If you're still with me and finding this helpful, go ahead and type the number 1 in the comments. Just so I know you're following along now. Let's keep moving forward with point number 4 for the sequence tap method before sex. Know that you understand the power behind each of these 3 points. The real magic happens when you bring them together. When you create a short intentional ritual that activates your body, calms your mind, and centers your energy right before intimacy. I call it sequence tap method. And to be honest, it's one of the most beautiful things I've witnessed older men embrace, because it's not just about technique. It becomes a practice of self-respect. This method isn't long or complicated. It takes less than 2 minutes, but in Thasaquaya moments, something powerful unfolds. I'm not rushing. You're not panicking. You're connecting with yourself, with your breath, and with the moment head. You start by tapping just below your belly button, awakening the sea of energy. Feel your lower body respond. Then you move to the crown of your head, the 100 meetings point. Inviting your mind to slow down and meet the body where it is. Finally, you finish at the soles of your feet, tapping gently to calm the nervous system and ground your energy. 3 points, 3 steps, and 3 chances to return to the strength that's always been yours. One of my patients told me he now looks forward to this practice as mooches, the intimacy itself. It makes me feel wall again, he said. Like I'm finally in sync with myself, and that's the essence of it. The sequence tap isn't a gimmick. It's a way of giving yourself permission to feel, to lead, and to love with presence and confidence. You're not doing this for performance. You're doing it to reconnect with the version of you that never left. Man who still desires, who still feels, and who still deserves pleasure and closeness. And now I want to give you a simple plan you can follow starting tonight. Just a few small steps to help you build this into your life and begin seeing results quickly, consistently, and naturally. Let's walk through that. What to do next, Tagather 5. What to do next, your action plan. By now you understand more than most men ever will about how toe naturally supports your sexual vitality, and the beauty is everything you've learned, every point, every breath, every gentle tap is already within your reach. There are no prescriptions required, no aiding rooms, no shame, just you, your body, and a quiet moment of intention. So what should you do? Next begin tonight. Don't wait for the perfectment. Start by setting aside just 2 minutes before bed or before intimusius the sequence tap method, the same wave-guided UCV6GB20. K1 and take 3 deep relaxed breaths in between each step. Allow your body to respond without pressure. Let go of expectations. What you're building isn't just a habit, it's a rhythm, a return to balance. Repeat this for the next 7 days. That's all I ask. Just 1 week, make this a small ritual, like brushing your teeth or washing your face, and as you move through each day, pay attention. Not just your physical changes, but your emotional shifts. Are you feeling more confident, more present, more hopeful? Fits the real win, because when the mind begins to trust the body, aganavera thinkang, you may even want to share this with your partner. Many of the men I've worked with found that opening up this part of their lives brought deeper connection, not just in bed, but in conversation, in trust, in affection. What starts with a few gentle taps often grows into something far more intimate. And if after a week you start to feel stronger, more responsive, more love, don't stop, keep going. Your body remembers what it was made for. Your spirit does too. Know before we close, there's one last thing I want to share with you. It's not about techniques or pressure points. It's something deeper, a truth that every man over 60 deserves to hear, and few ever do. Stay with me. You don't want to miss this. Final thoughts, reclaiming your sexual power. There's one thing I want you to take from everything we've shared. It's this: your age does not define your desire, your strength, or your right. Tone joy, deep, satisfying intimacy to men over 60 have been quietly convinced their best days are behind them. That fading erections or lost connection are simply the price of getting older. I didn't accept that, and neither should you. You've learned something today that most men never will. You've discovered a simple, deliberate tapping on 3 key points. Your lower abdomen, the crown of your head, and the soles of your feet can help bring your body back into balance. How it can shift your nervous system from stress to arousal, how it can allow blood to flow, confidence to return, in intimacy to feel natural again. But beyond the science, beyond the technique, this is about reclaiming your identity, reclaiming the part of yourself that may have been buried under years of silence, shame, or disappointment. That part of you that still longs to feel wanted, capable, connected. And I say this not just as a doctor, but as a man who's listened to hundreds of stories, each at a different, yet all echoing the same question: is it too late for me? And my answer every time is no. It is never too late to come back to life, whether you're married or single, active or hesitant. What matters now is what you choose to do next. You've got a method got a plan, you've got your body wiser, not weaker, and with just a few minutes of quiet intention, you can begin to feel change in ways you may not have a thought possible. So don't walk away from this video thinking about what you've lost. Walk away thinking about what you're about to regain. Your power, your presence, your pradeathis is your time, and your story isn't finished. In fact, the most intimate tour may be just beginning. If this message spoke to you, it gave you hope, clarity, or even just a moment of reflection, please take a second to like this video, share it with a friend, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what part stood out to I most, or simply type "I'm ready" if you're taking that first step back toward confidence. Your engagement helps more men find this information, and it tells them you're out there listening and reclaiming your power. So don't stay silent. Join the conversation. You're not alone, and your story matters.